How to get back money from non-Gcash user. So this is a very common situation, but it can be extremely difficult, but not always impossible. Your chances depend entirely on how the money was sent and your quick action and of course who you sent it to. So the first critical steps is to verify the mistake, double check the recipient's number and name if it displayed once. Sometimes a digit is mistyped. And then if it was to a different person, you can contact the recipient immediately. If you know the person, you can call them, but if not, you can use the number that you sent it to and try contacting them. But if contacting the recipient does fail, there is official recovery methods if it is possible. So you send to a non-Gcash user or a non-Gcash number. So basically an inactive one or an unregistered one. So this is your best case scenario. If the mobile number is not registered with Gcash, the transaction will fail automatically and the money will be refunded to your Gcash wallet. So this can take from a few minutes up to 24 hours though. If it's been longer, you need to report it immediately. But if you send it to a wrong but active Gcash number, which is the most common problem, Gcash cannot reverse transactions without the recipient's consent due to financial regulations. So basically, the only thing you can do is to file a customer support ticket. In the app, you can go to the profile and then just navigate here to your help center. You should be able to find it in the top right corner usually, but once you're here, you can explain clearly that you sent money to the wrong Gcash number and then provide the exact date, time, amount, and the recipient's number. Gcash support will contact the recipient on your behalf to request a voluntary refund. This is your primary hope, and the recipient must agree. But over here, if you use GPO services, you are responsible for confirming the details of your transaction. And Gcash can only reverse the transactions if the receiving account is inactive or no longer in use. So if it is, then you're gonna have to hope that the other recipient uh, agrees with this. But as of now, this is one of your only options, so you could always still try. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.